You want to know the best kept secret to an organized garage? It's all about zoning, and it's time to get into the zone. Hello, this is Cary Prince from Cary Prince Organizing, and today we're organizing a garage. Garages are large, cavernous spaces, and they have the potential to hold a lot of stuff, but they also have the potential to get very chaotic and messy. That is where you come in. You're going to create a system and put something in place where you have zones all throughout your garage to create order that everyone in your family can follow. You might have a zone for your gardening tools, or you might have a zone for your sports gear. You might have a zone for your emergency food supplies. Whatever it should be, this is where you are going to create order in your garage and create systems that work and keep your garage organized. The garage we're organizing today has a lot going for it, and it has a lot going on in it. We created a number of zones, almost twice if not 3 times the amount of zones that we usually put in garages, but it all works beautifully. There are shelves dedicated to the pet supplies. There's a cabinet dedicated to outdoor entertaining. We have another cabinet that's all the emergency food supplies. We have an emergency cellar supplies. We have overhead racks that are storing memorabilia and artwork that's not being used in the home. There is so much happening here, but it's all so organized, and best part, she has the open floor ready for her workouts, her Peloton, her treadmill, and all of her weights. So this is a garage that is a shining example of how you can zone a space and have it work for you. Okay, this garage is a wrap. We have finished organizing it, got some nice new shelves, created some fantastic zones where everything is in its spot. You know where to find it in the garage, and it is so organized. We're loving it. So I can't wait for the owner to see it. Behind every cabinet is a world of organization. I hope you've learned a few new tips and tricks from this video and that you are inspired to organize your own garage. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary Prince wishing you, from my home and my garage to yours, a very happy, organized day.